Okay, let's do this. Nice fast downhill. Hitting some ramps here and there. Let's go. That's the first one. Yeah. Second one. Yeah. Third one. Yeah. Fourth one. And the final one. And we go here. I'm going to bump into those walkers that are a little bit behind me. Maybe we're going through the creek here. I'll soon find out. Sound like the British. He's from the United Kingdom. Wrong gear completely. Let's go. That's better. Duck for that tree. Oh, fuck that. That section's been abandoned now. Everyone's going this way. Used to dip down to the left. But generally quite muddy there. That's maybe why people are avoiding it.